It's been a sad past few weeks as I waited and waited and waited for my Google Pixel Fold to get here. And finally, it's here. What is up, everyone? This is Jojo the Techie. Once again, I'm back, and this time I have a very special unboxing and first impressions. Those of you that talk to me on social media know that I have been waiting, seems like forever now, to get my Google Pixel Fold, and it is finally here on deck. And today I'm gonna unbox it, and you get to witness my first impressions and my total fangirling of this device because I just can't wait anymore. So let's get to it. So I had to get this device from T-Mobile, so the only option was to get the obsidian color. So we're gonna rock with matte black, even though the color I originally wanted was porcelain, team porcelain, but it is what it is, and this is the one that we are going to enjoy. So let's get started and let's get this unboxed. All right, let's get a look at it. First look, this is my first ever foldable. So this is the first time that I'll get to hold a device with a foldable screen. So you are getting a genuine reaction of a first time foldable user. So let's see. Ooh. Okay, so right away, I can already see what everyone has been telling me about the weight of this device. It is, you can feel it's got heft. Definitely heavier than the device I'm currently using, which is the Asus Zenfone 9. This one is super light. This one you can feel it's premium. But let's go ahead and let's put it aside. Let's do the unboxing the proper way. Although we know that nowadays these devices don't really bring anything other than a cable, and that is exactly the case with this one. There's nothing here. This is just filler. Manual, cable, transfer tool, and that's it. It's really unfortunate that nowadays we don't even get a charging brick anymore. Here's the moment you've all been waiting for. All right, look at this. Oh God, okay. I am like nervous. Okay. All right, front screen, back. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh my God, look at this. Ooh. All right, so here's another thing that everyone has been talking about, whether this device can fold flat. It looks pretty flat to me. I'm holding it this way, looks pretty flat. So not sure what all the complaining is about. Angle, flat. Actually, I don't even have to force it, it's just flat. Oh my God, the matte, I can see how matte it is. All right, let me turn this on. So I'm gonna be putting in my T-Mobile SIM card in here to set it up. So be right back. All right, so setup is all done. So it looks exactly like a Pixel because that's exactly what it is. It's a Pixel. One of the most important things to make sure you do when you get a device that is as premium as this one and as delicate as this one is to protect it, because it would be a real shame if this device broke after I just got it. So to make sure that this device is nice and protected, we're going to install a case on it. So far, I have all these from Tudia. Thank you very much, Tudia, for sending these over free of charge. We're going to go ahead and try these out. These are the Tudia Merge Grip cases for the Google Pixel Fold. I ordered a screen protector for the front screen, but that has yet to arrive. So for now, I'm just going to install the case to make sure that it has some protection. This is the Green Lily color. As you can see, it's a muted green. It's actually very nice. It's kind of like a pastel. I really like this one. This is this Monkey Pink. As you can see, it's a kind of like a darker shade of pink. This one is the Matte Black. And finally, we have the Indigo Blue. And this is the J. Will. Shout out to J. Will. Special cloth that he recommended for cleaning. All right, I think that's clean enough. So let's see. All right, fits nicely. This case does not have hinge protection, but just FYI, if you're looking for a case right now for the Pixel Fold, note that I've been told that the ones with hinge protection become very bulky because it has like an extra piece here to protect the hinge, and it's just a little bit much for a phone that's supposed to be this thin. So let's get that on, and here we are. This is my Tudia case. This is how it looks in the back. This is how it looks in the front. So there's still some more setup steps that I have to take in order to make this just the way that I want it. But so far, my impressions are that this is a very premium device, and there'll be more content coming as I use the device and I get to try out everything that has to do with it. I'll probably be on this device 24/7, and I'll probably get no sleep tonight. And again, I am extremely excited. This is something I've wanted for a long time, so I am happy to finally get it. It's finally in my hands and I finally get to enjoy it, and happy days. So stay tuned. I'm going to be dropping more content as I use this device. Probably a 48 hours later impression. If not, it will be my full review, which will probably be coming in 2 weeks after use, so I can give you guys a more detailed assessment of how my experience has been with the device. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.